Walk on. Walk on. And he is coming along slowly so that we can get in the driveway. Walk on, young man. Walk on. He says, but I don't want to go home. And I love that I don't even have to turn these guys to go to the trees. They just do it. Come around. Come around. Some of these drivers are quite nice. When they slow down so that they can wave to you as they're pulling out, that's kind of nice. Poor Red. She's mooing and swishing her tail, fussing. I may go out and take a look before I leave. What was that all about? And she's over with the other cows, and that's very odd. Whoa. I want to watch the cow for a minute. Now she's down. Gale, back. Come back. That's right, good boy. Look at you. Walk on, what a good boy. Whoa. Just stand, you're okay. Walk on. There's another cow out there. Gray has a brand new baby. And she's pretty snarky about her calves, so I don't want to go out there near her, but there are other sides of the fence I can get on. Hello, Alice. Oh, what a champ. Walk up. And whoa, right there. Perfect.